Hey guys, this is the internet in a nutshell. For some reason this toucan has had its beak cut off. A team of researchers and engineers recreated one thanks to 3D printing. It now has a normal life in an animal care center. I think this man opens the parachute dangerously late. Here's how a submarine emerges from a large layer of ice. Normally submarine can't navigate trough the ice that's more than 10 feet, that's because it breaks it like this. This is nothing more than a regular dinosaur's run.
And he Rexes away. It's Dino, Mighty Rex, Dino Dasher. Here comes Ramblin' Rex. Dave's on the charge. Now Rex's girlfriend, Donna, regular unleaded, pulling clear. Fossilizer and tiny, but it's regular unleaded.
These two fast trains belong to the two main train companies in Italy competing with each other. Idolo overtakes the Red Arrow at 190 miles per hour. During a football match in Argentina, this police dog decided to enter the field to steal the ball. The best bottle opener ever. I like to imagine that this school bus is magical rather than having some problems with ice. The hard life of a UPS courier. This little rabbit is so sweet. That's all for today, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, see you next time.